Don't download Fintel SEC Filings Short Data app before watching this. If you're tempted to download Fintel SEC Filings Short Data app, stop for a second. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's a one-stop shop for all stock market insights, but the app has limitations you need to understand first. Fintel provides detailed access to SEC filings, short interest data, and insider transactions. This can be powerful if you know how to interpret it, but here's the catch: most casual investors don't. Reading SEC filings is technical and can be overwhelming. Misinterpreting the data could lead to poor investment decisions rather than smart ones. Another surprising truth is that the app's focus on short-selling data may not be relevant for long-term investors. Short interest information is mostly useful for traders looking for short squeezes or momentum plays. If your goal is steady, long-term growth, this data might be more noise than value. The app also lacks educational support. Unlike some platforms that guide you on how to analyze filings or insider trades, Fintel assumes you already understand the context. This steep learning curve can leave beginners frustrated or, worse, making costly mistakes. On the upside, the app is relatively fast and updates filings quickly. Professional traders who know how to use the data can benefit from its real-time insights. But for the average investor, relying solely on Fintel for decisions is risky. In conclusion, don't download Fintel expecting a complete investing solution. It's a niche tool for those who already understand SEC filings and short interest strategies. If you fit that profile, it can be valuable. But if you're a casual investor, this app is more likely to confuse than to help. Knowledge is power, but only if you know how to use it.